Get ready for a no-holds-barred showdown between two slick new mixed reality combatants, Apple's prosumer powerhouse Vision Pro and Meta's plucky consumer crowd pleaser Quest 3. This battle for MR dominance pits premium tech against practicality, walled garden versus open platform, and pros versus the rest of us. Gaming, productivity, and immersion are on the line. Let's weigh up these next-gen headsets and see how they shape up for different needs before crowning a winner. First, let's talk about design and ergonomics. On premium materials and sleek styling, Vision Pro streaks ahead with its slope-style ski goggle design, flaunting lightweight aluminum alloy, curved glass, and luxurious fabrics. It resembles gadgetry from a sci-fi film and reeks of Apple industrial chic. Quest 3's revised white plastic shell looks more pedestrian in comparison, albeit 40% slimmer than its predecessor for added comfort. However, early hands-on testing suggests ergonomics is a mixed bag for both headsets. Vision Pro's innovative fabric headband and manual tightening wheel allow custom fitting, but its separate batter pack is cumbersome. Quest 3 made big strides with counterbalancing and a flexing interface for all-day wearability, although the front cameras cause visual clutter for some. For user-friendliness out of the box, Quest 3 just tips ahead, but style-conscious folks will dig Vision Pro's looks vibes. Different priorities yield different choices here. Talking about display and optics, no surprises, with 4K micro OLED displays boasting extreme brightness, precision lenses, and spatial audio. Vision Pro's visuals blow Quest 3's upgraded LCD panels with pancake optics out of the water. Apple's cutting-edge display specs should enable jaw-dropping realism and immersion that makes Meta's offering seem downright dull. But don't dismiss the little guy yet. Quest 3's boosted resolution and accelerated refresh rate ensure sizable improvements in clarity and fluidity over its predecessor. It may not match Apple's silicon-powered pixel density, but remains perfectly capable of delivering expansive, detailed 3D worlds for a fraction of the price. Horses for courses again, folks. One headset values visual opulence, the other, accessibility. Tracking and controls. The sensor-packed Vision Pro understandably wins again for input and immersion thanks to precise cameras plus iris, hand, and gesture tracking that should enable unbelievable lifelike control sans controllers. But will developers embrace these novel inputs? Meta plays it safer with updated ergonomic touchpads built on an established platform. For out-of-the-box usability, Quest 3 again scores over Apple's steep learning curve. However, Vision Pro opens possibilities for disabled users unable to grip controllers reliably. So, while innovations bring short-term friction, in the long run, Vision Pro may pioneer more intuitive, accessible, and multimodal control standards. Hats off to Apple for pushing boundaries, even if that means users must patiently tweak interactions until devs optimize apps for these groundbreaking inputs. Risk brings reward later. Software and ecosystem. Meta obviously holds the cards here. Its mature Quest software ecosystem already delivers a thriving marketplace of AAA games and utilities honed for 6DOF freedom. Backward compatibility enhances the value proposition even further. Vision OS shows promise but remains untested in consumers' homes. Apple must prove it can nurture a developer ecosystem, reimagining desktop-class apps for spatial computing rather than just stretching phone software into an unoptimized VR environment. Early adopters face a content desert until devs build native Vision Pro experiences. Meta's leadership seems unassailable for now. But recall how quickly Apple disrupted mobile. Vision Pro may catch up swiftly if Apple throws enough resources behind wooing creators. Still, short-term software library favors Quest decisively. Mixed reality and connectivity. Both headsets actually deliver surprisingly capable MR functionality via accurate pass-through cameras. Quest 3 enables users to view keyboard monitors and then anchor apps to real surfaces, and Vision Pro promises wild spatial blending of real and digital. But Apple's connector constraint against rankles, relying solely on a proprietary magnetic battery cable with no USB-C flexibility compared to Quest 3's versatile port. This hamstrings Vision Pro's ability to interact with other devices and accessories without complex engineering gymnastics. Meta adopts standards benefiting consumers today, even if less futuristic. Pricing and target market. Meta makes no qualms about Quest 3 targeting mass appeal with a $499 price, bringing capable MR to the everyman. Vision Pro conversely flaunts prosumer aspirations with its eye-gouging $3,499 sticker, reserving access for creative elites alone. While Apple's stellar internals justify the cost, consider hidden expenses, being locked into their closed ecosystem, needing other Apple devices to unlock functionality, plus developer growing pains adapting apps to novel inputs. Quest 3 instead focuses on plugging into existing gaming content and utilities via affordable self-contained or PC-tethered modes. While Vision Pro seizures the spec sheet and innovation crown, Quest 3 is the practical choice for mass adoption thanks to its sheer value. Apple's product shines best for professionals wanting to future-proof creative workflow once the software ecosystem catches up. Meta's device brings baseline MR functionalities to regular folks, now even if less polished and performant. So the winner comes down to you. Not these gadgets. Evaluate your needs, pick the headset that matches your goals, and enjoy next-gen immersion.